In the previous episode, we learned the central middle vowel a. In this episode, we'll learn another central middle vowel called schwa, which is totally different from a in quality. A is a stressed sound, but schwa is a reduced sound. It is pronounced in the middle of the mouth because it is the most economical way to produce a sound. Schwa is created by the absence of any movement in the mouth. The tongue is relaxed. Since words with schwa are not articulated, it can be hard to hear words with schwa. The rhythm of English is created thanks to use of schwa, as we learned in an earlier episode. Schwa indeed is a magical sound. It can make a syllable disappear, as in syllabic elision, or can create a syllable, as in syllabic consonants. We'll learn more about the role of schwa when we learn about the prosodic features of English, like word stress, phrasal stress, and sentence stress. Since any vowel sound that is unstressed or reduced is called schwa, schwa can sound different depending on the surrounding sounds. For example, in roses versus roses, the A in roses is an unstressed A, but the E in roses is an unstressed E. Unstressed middle center sounds that differ from schwa in auditory quality are viewed as allophones of schwa, not independent phonemes. There are two cases that require schwa: unstressed syllables in multi-syllabic words and the normal use of function words. Multi-syllabic words. When a word has more than one syllable, not every syllable is given an equal emphasis when spoken. Only one syllable is stressed, and the rest are generally unstressed. The vowel sounds of unstressed syllables are usually reduced to schwa. Schwa allows unstressed syllables to occur more quickly in order to emphasize the sound of the stressed syllables. Schwa can occur with any vowel letters.
The A in about, again, vitamin. The E in synthesis, electric, celebrate. The I in decimal, president, experiment. The O in harmony, occur, condition. The U in medium, umbrella, support. The Y in syringe. The schwa sound can be found in any position in a word. In the beginning of a word, as in about, ago, amazing. In the middle of a word, as in elephant, gallon. In the end of a word, as in idea.
Function words. The purpose of schwa is to reduce sound. This allows unstressed syllables to be said quickly, so that the main beats of the speech can be placed on the stressed syllables. In speech, function words are usually reduced. Function words are words that indicate grammatical aspects, like tense or mood. Function words include auxiliary verbs, pronouns, articles, conjunctions, and prepositions. These are speech segments that require schwa.
An, the. A chair, an apple, the table. Am, are, is, was. Am I? How are you? Who is he? I was singing. And, but. Chicken and chips. It's hard, but I like it. Than, or. I like it more than you do. Coffee or tea? That, too. I told you that he was good. I'd like to see you. Can, could. I can do it. I could do it. Will, would, should. Will it rain? Would you mind? It should rain. I, you, your, his, her, their. How are you doing? I liked your shirt, his hair, her pen, their sons. Him, her, it, them. I hate him. I love her. I love it. One of them. In, on, of. It's in the closet. It's on the table. Get out of here. For, with. I'm looking for a room. Come with me. Have, has, had. I have a question. He has a problem. She had a pet. As, if. As soon as possible. I'll go if you do.